Welcome to the sixth lesson of this course. In this lesson, I will teach you the tricks and tips to get fully funded scholarships in South Korea. Firstly, you have to streamline your research interest. You should be crystal clear about your research track and topic. If you have multiple research interests, streamline them according to your target professor's interest. If you are shuffling your interest while communicating with the professor, he will judge you and refuse to fund your study. Secondly, you have to make a comprehensive research about your program. Make a list of web links of your research for future concerns. Check the admission requirements and scholarship opportunities in advance. Some Korean universities offer courses in Korean language even for international students. So you have to make sure that the whole program is being offered with English medium of instruction. Thirdly, check the profiles of the faculty members and students who are already enrolled in the same program and the lab. This research will give you sense of competition. While seeing the profiles of current students, you can compare your profile with the current students in order to understand their background and their fit to the professor's lab. Sometimes the professors are little open or flexible to accept students from different backgrounds, but not in the most of the cases. Once you have found the professors closely related to your research interest, now it's time to contact them via email. When you write an email, please stick to one or two interests for your research and align those research interests with the professor's work. Show your enthusiasm, passion, and motivation of your chosen topic. I have made a separate lesson on how to write an email to a professor. Please refer to our next class. Thank you